today we are reviewing a Datum project. It is the third part of the video about this project. Today I'll tell you about token sale, roadmap and advisors. So let's get started. That token crowd sale. Role of token. Enable trade of data between data owners and buyers. Symbol. That. Supply 3 billion token. For sale 1 billion 530 million token. Emission rate. No new tokens will be created. Price 25,000 DAT per 1 Ethereum. Accepted currencies. Ethereum. Minimum goal 5,000 Ethereum. Maximum goal 61,200 Ethereum. Debt allocation summary. Reserve fund 29%. Datum core dev 20%. Public contributors 51%. Allocation of funds. Operation 15%, legal 5%, security 5%, marketing 15%, development 60%. Next, add project roadmap. Datum team has one focus: creating a viable data marketplace in the shortest time possible. September 16. Concept development. Founders start exploring large-scale data storage for IoT devices in the medical and smart home sector and devise first prototypes of structuring unstructured data. June 2017. White paper and concept validation. With the release of the white paper and the resulting community feedback, we have fine-tuned the concept and laid out the roadmap for the Datum network. August 2017. Pre-sale and alpha version. The pre-sale for the token started on 11th August and ended on 8th September 2017. That token allows users to participate in new data economy. October 2017. Datum token sale. The Datum token sale is planned to launch from 29 October till 29 November or until the hard copy is received. Datum released an early alpha release of Datum app before the launch of token sale. The development of the Datum test network continues. December 2017. Test network launch. Launch of the Datum test network marks the beta release and will allow basic functionalities to be explored by developers and the community. March 2018. Release candidate. The future complete release candidate will be deployed to the test network and undergo intensive testing and bug fixing over the next 3 months. June 2018. Datum main network launch. The launch of the initial version of the Datum main network marks the start of the new data economy. At this point, the Datum network will consist of the decentralized storage layer, Datum app, open APIs to submit and consume data, and full-fledged trading system. June 2019. Data service providers. To increase adoption of the Datum network, we will release an SDK and support system that allows developers to use the network as a decentralized database for any personal user's data collected by their application or service. Developers can become service providers that facilitate storage and monetization of such data and in return take a cut of the data monetization revenue. September 2020. White label offering. Implementation of an abstraction layer on top of Datum network that allows for white label offering of data storage solutions with specific control and governance differences from the public targeted and enterprise and government users of the Datum on the data network and have additional requirements on top of the public network mechanics. Summer 2021. Complete developer ecosystem. Completion of functionality on the periphery of the Datum network that completes a full development stack to store, share, monetize, and analyze data in particular solutions to help with user authorization, data indexing, and analysis of stored data, while still operating within terms set out by data owners. We will also have completed implementation of a legal framework that ensures storage of personal data in the Datum network is compliant standards of data protection within various jurisdictions. Autumn 2022. The global data marketplace. At the 5-year milestone, we plan to reach over 300 million users in over 45 countries. Through continuous effort, we will be now have completed internationalization and localization for these markets. The implementation of a decentralized governance system for Datum network is completed, and governance is planned to be transitioned to the Datum Foundation, and governance decisions made by a quorum of token holders and advisors. Chris Mice, investment banking analyst and executive. Previously KFO at 10x, raising $18 million in their token sale. Before finding his position for blockchain, Chris was with Goldman Sachs, Deutsche Bank, and Morgan Stanley. Daniel Saito, co-founder of RimNet, MySQL, Key.Key. Red Robot, managing director for MySQL in Asia, co-founder of MariaDB, formerly known as SkySQL. Daniel is a seasoned marketing and sales executive with decades of big data experience and crypto. Michael Egorov, co-founder and CTO of New Cipher, proxy re-encryption expert, and CTO co-founder of New Cipher. In the past, senior software engineer at LinkedIn. MD in physics of ultra-cord atoms. KPMG Switzerland was retained as legal counsel and helped with the legal structuring and documents, as well as the coordination with the regulatory authorities. And conclusion. Who's with the Datum platform the main participant of its ecosystem? That is, the user also benefits from the sale of his or her data to large corporations directly without the use of data brokers. It will also provide a way for the safekeeping of a user's data in its decentralized blockchain. So, this is the best way for users to manage his data. Thanks for watching. For today, this is the end. Subscribe to my channel, invest and make money. Good luck.
This is Datum, a pretty jolly bit of data. And these are his friends. 2.5 quintillion of them being created each day. You may wonder where they all come from. That's easy. From us. All of us. We leave this trail of digital bits behind us as we go through life, and these bits are collected into a mirror image of you, the virtual you. But the virtual you is not owned by you, and that doesn't seem right. Large corporations exploit your data without rewarding you in return. But what if there was a way that you could own and control this data? An avatar, perhaps, that sweeps up all your data and stores it safely in a global network that is not owned and controlled by any large entity. A network where your data is encrypted securely and you are the only one who has the keys. A network where you decide whom to share with and under what terms. And this is a wonderful thing because it protects your privacy and rewards you for what is yours. Let's get data back under our control, where we can own our virtual self and manage it responsibly.